Okay, this is how to solve if you have a hiccup. Yeah, all right. You've done all the traditional methods. Now it has to be you because you're the star of the show, right? Okay, all right. Every time Jennifer gets a hiccup, I'm gonna use a bit of tissue. It's clean. Yeah, it hasn't got my snot. And I'll throw it in her face. She's not allowed to block it. So waiting for your first hiccup. Come on. Come on. Hiccup. That was a hiccup, yeah? Alright? It's alright, okay. Maybe she's getting a bit nervous, that's why she's like trying to control hiccups. It's a controller. Was that a hiccup? That was a hiccup, you know? That was a hiccup. Alright? Okay, so it should work, yeah? It should finish. Alright? Was that a hiccup?
Nah.
No? Right. Is it helping? Do you think it's helping?
No.
But you don't have no more, but your hiccups are gone. Was that a hiccup?
No.
Alright, okay. It should work. How many times have you done it? 3 times, yeah? It should work on at least by the 5th time, innit? Yeah? And also, and also remember to subscribe. Yeah? Okay, I think that was the 4th time. So the 5th time, it should be gone, innit? I missed it. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you put a thumbs up. And also, did this work, Jennifer?
No.
Alright, see you in the next one.
Oh, why? Press that one.